This is the Radisson Edmonton Hotel and Convention Center. We will start in the bathroom. You got a single seat, sink, makeup mirror, jetted tub, and here's the main room. This is a King Deluxe suite. So you got a hide-a-bed there. Closet, extra bedding, the ironing board, 2 house coats, quite a few hangers, full-size mirror, table for 2, you got a sink, microwave, coffee, ice bucket, typical hotel fridge. Not sure if this has dishes or not, doesn't look like it. Got all these drawers and nothing in them, kind of weird. So like I said, should be a hide-a-bed, and it is. You got a place to put your suitcases, some funky art, kind of a small flat screen. Got a desk and a chair, place for wired internet, another mirror, another chair beside the couch, another piece of artwork. This is a glass wall here. So this is the bedroom part of the suite. Another place for suitcase, another flat screen, king size bed, alarm clock. Not sure what this is. Oh, the light over there. Oh yeah, so you got a light above the bed. And another full wardrobe here. No idea what's in there. Yeah, it looks like nothing. And like I said, this is Edmonton. This is southeast Edmonton, so you got downtown over that direction, which would be northwest. It is in an industrial area. And that is a quick room tour of the Radisson Edmonton Hotel and Convention Center. Click like, comment, subscribe.